Welcome to my video on updating to the latest release of the Plottr post-processing application. So let's say that you followed the instructions and you checked out version 1.0. But now there's version 1.01 or, some newer version. The GitHub page will tell you what is the latest published version. It should be right here. And this is the name of that tag. So if you navigate to where you checked out the Plottr post-processing repository, you open that up in a terminal. We're going to essentially do the same command that we did during the installation, but to the latest tag here. So we're going to say git checkout, if I can spell it, git checkout tags / and the tag name. Tag name is this v1.01 here, but obviously whatever the latest release here is, you should be trying to get that. So we'll say v1.01. It says it didn't match any files. So what you'll want to do is you'll want to say git pull. You'll see there's a new tag, and it says you're not currently on a branch. Please specify which branch you want to merge with. Let's try this again. Git checkout tags / v1.01. All right. So now we've been moved to that branch, or that tag rather. Branches and tags are somewhat similar in Git, but we've now been moved to the 1.01 tag, and that is the latest release. So that's how you change your existing repository to point at the newest one. So you need to do a git pull, which will bring in any new tags, and then you will have to do the git checkout tags / whatever that tag name is. If you found this video useful, please consider supporting me over at Patreon. Thank you very much.